Hello guys, I want to burn it.
Hello guys, my name is Seven.
My name is Seven. It's my fourth fire papa. Yeah.
This is my daughter. And her favorite food is chicken nuggets.
Yay! Papa, bilan mo
Ayun,
ako
may
ng
magnet,
mga
magnet,
chicken
may magnet.
nuggets.
Pakita mo sa kanya magnet para may video siya. Yung magnet.
Magnet. Paano yung magnet? Heartbeat. Ayan, ang ginagawa niya nung bata pa siya. Hanggang ngayong 5 years old na siya, alam niya pa rin ang ngayong dalawang bagay na turo sa kanya.
Wait lang po. Yan. Wait lang.
Ang kuryente. Yan, ano yan? Toothpaste yan. Hindi yan maano sa teeth mo.
This is lettuce the yarn. This healthy lettuce, you'll want the summer yan.
With your teeth dyan. Ganda ng teeth mo dyan. White ah. Oh. Puti. Pa, nag-toothbrush na. Ikaw,
Puti.
toothbrush ka na dun. Please, toothbrush ka na dun.
Wait, guys. I want to toothbrush.
Dito mo toothbrush. Pakita mo toothbrush yun. Dito ka mo toothbrush. Ben, dito ka mo toothbrush. Mirror mo to.
Heaven will show you how to brush her teeth. Show
go.
them.
Very good. Insert your pasta. Ganito pa lang mag-vlog, ang hirap, no? Mag-iisip ka ano sasabihin mo.
Subscribe to channel.
Show them your hair. Show them your hair.
Nilunok yung...
Papadala! It's a cleaner there. It is served for my mom. It's a long.
Magsing ka. Kalelo o kala. Ralalay. Ganyan, sino nga yun? Ay, yung ano, yung kay Ruby. Yung kay Ruby.
They wake up. Gary lost the dirt.
Para pakita mo kay Ruby yung kanta mo, dali. Malay mo, nanonood siya.
Now I'm hiding, now we're shining like a butterbean. Cause we know how for strong, I believe we're going up, down the mountain. Gotta be golden, golden. Oh, I got hiding. Wait, now we. No, I'm No, gotta be.
30 na.
Gotta be. Hello guys, I'm your Nessa. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.